from because we have started CA Ria Bansali. I'm remembering Bansali's movies, which are also there in India. So, with this thought, let me come to our panel, our quiz masters who are going to have fun quiz. And let me introduce to you CA Sandhya Nagar and CA Sanjana Hegde, who are going to start the quiz to titillate our brain and mind so that we can have a lot of fun with this quiz. CA Sandhya Nair is an entrepreneur and a counselor, shaping the true you, Jagriti. This is her brainchild. And wow, what an amazing concept. She had planned entire assessment and counseling process in career mentoring program. So that is CA Sandhya Nagar for all of you. Amazing to get to know her. She had done a lot of work in career mentoring program. Another person, my close friend, also CA Sanjana Hegde, a corporate in corporate taxation, and a lot of work which she has done. 8 years of experience in the area of taxation. A senior associate in Dhruva Advisors now, and she specializes in litigation and international taxation. So lovely, wonderful, and I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun with our great CA Sanjana and CA Sandhya. Over to you. Are we ready?
Good evening, ladies, and for the first time, gentlemen, to our government conference.
Unmute, Sandhya, unmute. Whatever you have spoken, you have to restart again.
We will do it. It's a technical issue.
Yes.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now.
Yes. A hearty welcome to all the ladies, and of course, for the first time in the history of Women's Conference, to the gentlemen as well. Now that you've come back from your journey of Middle East, we welcome you all back to Bangalore. We as CA are known to be the brainy ones, and of course we are. And for the first time, or probably, once in a while, I think we need to get it checked in other areas other than our GST, Companies Act, accounts, and other fields. So here we have a chance to check how trained we are in the other subjects which are not a bread and butter. So before we dive into this quiz, we will give you an overview of how the quiz works. We have divided the quiz into 5 sections: global business, our profession, women's stalwart, out of the box, and fastest finger first. We request everyone to type the answer along with your name and membership number in the chat box. Alright, now let's get to the interesting part, that is how the winners are going to be selected. So there are totally 5 prizes up for grabs. So the top 3 winners are those who will give the quickest and the most number of correct answers throughout the session. Then we have 1 winner for out-of-box round, and the last round being the fastest finger first. So as Sandhya mentioned earlier, we request all of you to actively participate with your answers in the chat box, because this is a maximum participation quiz. The more you participate, the more chances you have of winning. So we're going to begin. We're going to begin with the first segment, global business. How well do we know our globe, of course, in the business environment? We all day in, day out go to this app called Amazon and order for anything and everything that looks attractive over there. It has a private label for washing machine, air conditioners, and other white goods. What is it? in the Amazon app, whenever you go for buying washing machines, air conditioners, and other white goods, they have a specific private label for it. What is this label called as? We have got few answers, and first one is by Ramya. And then next we are waiting for other answer. You all use the India. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, what is the answer for this? So a lot of answers coming in, different answers surprisingly, given that in the lockdown we've been clicking this app left, right, and center. All right, now the ladies are warming up, or the participants are warming up.
You can go to next question. You are not.
The correct answer is Amazon Basics, and the right answer is given by Ramya here. So with the membership number 220258. Congratulations, Ramya. Your answer is perfectly right. Moving on to the next question. Mr. M.A. Yusuf Ali has been given the first expat permanent resident status by the Dubai government. Again, coming back to the Middle East, we are. With which business group is this Keralite associated with? If we could get answers quickly for which business group is this man from Kerala who's making big waves in Dubai? Which group is he associated with? All right, this is extremely fast. We are getting answers from Vibha. Then we have from Jnana Sambandha Narayan. All right, we have from Vinuta. Okay, so the correct answer for this is the Lulu Group of Industries. And the first answer is given by Vibha Sharat with the membership number 227974. Congratulations, Vibha, your answer is perfectly right. Moving on to the next question. Let's see if this works. We'd like you to recognize this person. We are trying this audio bit. Do let us know if you are able to hear it.
1 second. Somebody is having not Bhavana madam. Please can you mute it? Yeah, please mute it.
Okay, I'm not sure how many of you all got the audio. So the clue was that this man put car in the mart. So we have one more clue for this. So can you identify the person whose picture is snipped and put there? He was the founder of PayPal. Currently, he is heading the AI division of the future. He's known to be a lot eccentric, saying that he's going to put a man in Mars. Okay, this appears a little tricky that we have not seen any of the participants answer. Okay, perfect. CA Prema has answered this. This eccentric guy who wanted to put a car in Mars is nothing but Elon Musk. We have answers from Sridevi, Neha, and a lot of them, Vinula Prabhu and all of them are answering Elon Musk. However, the person who answered it first is Prerna. CA Prerna 201891 membership number. Okay, we move to the next. It's time to recognize certain logos that we see day in, day out in a business and outside the world. There are three specific logos that have been given there, and the first one has 4 options, second one has 2 options, and third one has 2 options each. And we want to recognize the right answer along with the name of it. Which is the right logo and the name of it. Not just the name, not just the name. We have to choose which is the right logo that is mentioned there. It is A, B, or C, A, B, C, or D, and the second one is A or B. So you need to specifically tell that which logo is the actual one. We do see it every day, but when it is asked this way, it is a little tricky. 1 is C and 2 is B and 3 is A is what Viku was saying, and Starbucks is what is told by Pooja. We want the answers along with the name of it, not just the answers, not just the name. We want both. Whoever gives both the answers at the first instance, they are the ones who are going to get the prize. Mastercard, Pooja. Pooja, we know, but you have to tell, is it A or B? Mastercard B, 1 C, A, B. We want to see who can answer all the 3. That person is the one who will be the winner. 1 C Windows, 2 A Mastercard, and 3 A Starbucks. So here we have the right answer by 1 answer is C, it is Windows, 2 answer is A, which is Mastercard, and 3 it is Starbucks, and the right one is A. CA 201891, you have given the right answer. Congratulations.
Ma'am, Ms. Megha was the first to.
Congratulations, Prema. So we need to know which company we are talking about. This specific company was founded by the former corporate vice president for Cisco Webex, and this company was originally named as SASB. And I'm sure all of us have been talking about this company during this lockdown a lot more. So let's hit it. Which company are we talking about? The company, oh wow, that was instantaneous. Siddharth, and we have answers from Pakistan Excel, Ravi Kumar, we have answers from Bhavani. Come on, we are waiting for more. We have from Sapna, Sneha, Prema. Okay, a lot of right answers coming in, which kind of goes to the point that during this lockdown, a lot of us have been using this app. The answer is Zoom. Imagine now we care that let's Zoom each other. Had they not changed the name of the company, it would have been let's SASB each other. Yeah. So the right answer is given by Siddharth Goel. Congratulations, Siddharth. Is our voice audible again?
Is our audio audible? All right.
Yes.
Yeah, we are sitting in the IT capital, and it, as happens always, during an IT event, some IT issue comes up. So no worries, we move ahead.
It's about our profession. We do deal with it and we live with it. How much do we know about it? That's our task now. Going ahead for the first question here. Mr. A has cleared his CA and happily joined the firm as a partner, and the firm got him his visiting card. The second he looked at it, he had an issue with it. What is the issue that he had? What is that he's talking about? If you can recognize that, send us the answer as soon as possible. This is his visiting card, the front and the back side of it. And the second he saw it, he had an issue with it. What is that issue that he had with?
All right. In terms of business world, a lot of answers were coming quickly, but
And now when it comes to our profession, we are slowing down. Issue is qualification. No. Vision can't be business, okay? Design. Pooja says about design. Okay, design part, let him take care of it. Email address. Okay, CA logo is not correct. Okay, CA logo is correct.
email address.
Email address. No. People think a lot. I think we dealt with it in our final examination to give a clue. Membership number, color. No. New code of ethics.
This is something to do with the new code of ethics.
Client centric. No. If you go back to your CA exam in the audit paper, there was almost 10 marks question on professional ethics. So if you can rethink all over that all over again. Business world, you know everything in a fraction of a second and about our profession, professional ethics. We do lag a bit. We are buffering. We provide services. No. We are professionals now.
Bhavya Satish says the back side should not have been printed.
Bhavya, you're close. You're very close.
Not coming.
Text side. Vipul, no. Can't advertise. What do you mean by can't advertise, Pooja? It is just a visiting card. So if you can be more specific. Of course, we can't advertise. Fortunately or unfortunately.
All right.
Here we have the right answer. It is vision statement. Vision statement vision and values should not be part of the visiting card. And the right answer is actually given by, if I'm not wrong, it is Sri Devi with membership number 214306. Perfect, Sri Devi. And if any one of you can give us the clause of it,
That would be brilliant.
that would be brilliant. We'll just wait for a minute, wait for less than a minute to know if anyone knows any clause which is related to this specific question. Yes, of course. In our visiting cards, we should not be mentioning our vision statement or values, of course. Okay, we're happy with the answer that we have. Moving on to the next question.
Okay, so for many of the members today, this would come as a surprise that, our institute is actually providing us various initiatives in terms of LIC term insurance, Paplio software for practitioners, medical insurance. Do check this out on the institute website. Our question for you today is, the above are some of the many initiatives to the members of ICAI. Which committee of ICAI are we talking about?
We know there are many committees which are specifically looking after specific issues. Which committee looks after this specific thing?
For all the people who are entering the institute website just for CPRs checking, it's time you can quickly go to the website and tell us which committee are we talking about.
Come on, our ICI does so many things to us. It's time, I think we should know that what are all the offers, what are all the things that they are doing for us, and which committee specifically takes care of that.
At least after this, maybe some of you can opt for all of these, huh?
I'm sure many of us would be wondering, oh, seriously, these are seriously given by ICI to us? We never opt for it. Now it's time. CMII, CMMI, CABF, capacity building, committee for capacity building, no? Yes, I think the right answer is given by Mr. Gnana Sambandham, committee of members in practice. It's actually committee for members in practice. So if I have to go technically, it is Vijaya Kumari.
with the membership number 221005.
Yeah, it is Vijaya Kumari with the right answer. Thank you, Vijaya. Moving on to the next question. Yaesha Sukteshu Jagrati. The second we hear this, in every single event of our ICAI, we all get goosebumps for sure. Which Upanishad have we taken this ICAI motto from? Which Upanishad have we taken? Oh my goodness, even before I could complete the question, there are answers. Rashmi Bide, Vijaya Kumari, Rigveda. No, it's not Rigveda. Come on, we do hear it on every single event of our ICI. Yes, the answer is Kathopanishad, and the right answer is given by Rashmi Bhide with, I don't know the membership number, but yeah, it is Rashmi Bhide. Congratulations, Rashmi Bhide. You just don't know the ICI motto, but also from where we have taken it. We are glad that people have awareness about our ICI motto. Moving on to the next.
Next question. You got to link these three clues and tell us what we are talking about. One is the Section 24 of the Information Technology Act 2000. The other is the public key infrastructure and this logo. The combination of these three end up giving a lot of frustration to the people in industry. I'm not talking about the logo or the company, but what is it that we are talking about that is a combination of all three items that are there. A lot of them are saying Java. I agree, the symbol is Java, but it has to be a, oh wow, we have answers.
We are not considering ICI ITT department's answer for sure.
Those are the answer by the members.
Oh, okay, sorry. Then yeah, we have answers from Vijaya and Prema Vasu. Prema Vasu, you are really very active. We can see your answers and everything. Siddhant Goyal, of course, yours too.
And the first answer, first of all, the answer is digital signature certificate. The thing that drives us nuts when we are trying to register it, be it in a MCA website or a GST website. But yeah, that is what we are talking about. That is the DSC. Section 24 is the licensing authority. Public key infrastructure is what is there in the DSC, and Java is the utility that we use for it. So congratulations, Netravati. You are the first one to answer this. I can also understand the level of frustration you guys must be going through. So, sorry, membership number was not mentioned.
The next one, Vittiya Sthiti Vivaran. As CAs, we see this everywhere. Unfortunately, of course, in our dreams too. What are we talking about? Vittiya Sthiti Vivaran. What is it? Financial status description? No, it's not financial status description. You're close, of course. Financial stability guidance? No. It's too simple. Economic situation? No. Budget? No. Come on, the second I tell the answer, you guys are going to laugh about it.
I think
Okay, Sridevi, you have the right answer. Yes, it is balance sheet. Vittiya Sthiti Vivaran is nothing but balance sheet, and the right answer is given by Sridevi with membership number 214306.
Congratulations, Sridevi. So now we move on to the third segment that we have today. That is the women's stalwarts. Given that this is a women's conference, we'd like to see which are the women who shone this year and throughout our history. And the first question that we have is, you need to recognize 6 of the women whose pictures are on the screen. I need 6 correct names.
Whoever gives the 6 correct names are the only winners, and you have to give it in one shot. You can't keep on giving it because we can't track it. So in one single answer, you have to give all the 6 names. Take your time, but I know you will quickly know a few of them. But yeah, to make it 6, you need to think a lot.
And this is not some income tax, assessment submission where you can give us piecemeal answers. Please give all the answers at one shot. No adjournment scenario here. Okay, looks like a lot of thinking is happening because we've not seen any answers yet.
And I hope you're not Googling it.
There's something called a reverse search image on Google.
Yeah, I know.
I
You
hope
can
we are
just take
not.
a pic of it in Google.
I hope we are not giving ideas.
PT Usha. No, that name itself is not there here. Her picture is not there here. Yeah, that athlete looks very much like PT Usha, but no, she's not PT Usha. Others, where are you? Sports is not our cup of tea, is it? Mr. Siddhant Goel, then Prema Basu, where are you guys? We are waiting to see your names on the screen. Sapna Bandari, Chanda Kocher, we want you to give all the 6 in one shot.
Unfortunately, Arundhati is not an answer. We are getting bits and pieces. In fact, Sapna, you're helping others to give answers in one shot.
Unless and until you give all the 6 together, you are not the winner.
Mamta Banerjee.
No, where is Mamta Banerjee? Hima Das, yes, Hima Das is the answer, but Ravindra Kore, sir, you're not allowed to answer, sir. You won't be given with any prize for sure. Like how you do it for us in every single lucky tip thing, you're not allowed here also.
Since no one said her name, that's the reason I mentioned. No one said her name.
Palaki Sharma, that is a very rare one, but it's a correct answer.
Prasanna Kumari, go ahead. I think no one person can compile everything and make the right
Exactly. You can just scan through your chats. Oh, that option is not there for them.
No, they can, I guess. Okay, Prema Basu, Palki, Rohini is not that. No, Chanda Kochar is correct. Palki Sharma is correct. Hima Das is correct.
If you do compile, they will compile and give it. So better who will answer more. You can go it who is answer more.
Tell the winner at the fag end of the event. And the names are Anita Dongre, Chanda Kochar, Hima Das, Kamala Das, Palki Sharma, Rukmini, Seema Rao, and Tanya Sachdev. So, yeah.
No one has given all the answers.
No one has given all the answers. We'll see who has given most of the answers. Moving on to the next question. This picture was out on the WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook some time back. And what is the significance of this picture? What are we looking at? Who are they? Why is it so important to have all 4 of them in one frame? And what is it we're talking about? In the given picture, there are 4 women looking very stunning and powerful. Who are they? And what is that we are talking about? All lady PMs? No. Presidents? No.
But close, you're getting there somewhere.
You're there, but yeah, we need the fine answer. Finland women ministers, Vibha Sharath, very true. Then if you can name their portfolios. Fine, yeah, we are happy with just the Finland ministers. Vibha Sharath, you have given the right answer with 227974 membership number. Congratulations. They are all the Finland ministers. One is the prime minister and others are the cabinet ministers over there. Moving on to the next.
Okay, so the next question is which Indian brand, which was started in the late 1960s, was named after a schoolgirl from the town of Rupur in Gujarat? Wow.
But let us at least complete the question. You guys are very fast when it comes to the brand business, the business world.
All right, we couldn't recognize, Hima, Chand and Kamala, but we are able to guess all the business brands. That is good.
We have too many answers, and I think Siddhant Goel, you have given the right answer, the fastest person, and it is Nirma. We are talking about the brand Nirma.
So all the Jayas and Sushmas in our group have answered. So congratulations to you too.
Siddhant. The next one, who is this Google Doodle in honor of? Celebrating the 135th birthday. Google has this amazing feature of doodling its logo sometimes. Oh my God, yeah, we have the answer for this too. If you have many of you answering this, we are glad that we know our history right. And the answer is Sarojini Naidu, not Sarojini Devi. Okay, the right answer is given by Priyanka Madhwani. And it is Sarojini Naidu.
Perfect.
Going to the next one.
We might not know the women whom we saw on news in 2020, but 135 years ago, we know our history's on point. Well done. So we move to the next question. So here we are. She's a powerhouse. So let me give you a few clues. She's a French politician, businesswoman. She's serving as the president of European Central Bank, and her distinct identity is that she was the managing director of the International Monetary Fund. If we are getting, oh wow, even before we went to the next clue, we have Prema who has given us the answer.
Prema Vasu, I think you should contest for the KBC because you have answers for most of the questions that we are asking.
If we can go to the
Vijaya
next
Kumari,
slide.
yeah. If you can give the right answer after this.
For people who haven't been able to figure out, here's the image of the person. Okay, fantastic. So the winner is Prema Vasu. The answer is Christine Lagarde. She was the head of IMF, the immediately past chair, and a very powerful woman. So that marks the end of the section on women stalwarts.
Moving ahead to the next little trickier one, out of the box. Out of the box is sometimes that we all go totally blank with, but let us see how quick our chartered accountants are when it comes to out of the box thinking. Can you guess these? There are 3 pictures that we have given. What are they actually?
Which food or flour are we talking about? If you can give us all
the three.
Something that we use a lot in our kitchens.
Yeah. Saffron, cocoa. Sridevi, you have to give all the 3. Cashew nut? No, there are no cashew nut. Raspberry? No,
Vanilla
it's not.
and raspberry?
No, it's not.
We are so used to seeing packaged processed food, we don't know where they come from.
Yeah. This is the original form of it. Saffron and cocoa. Sridevi, you have to give one more to be the winner. Elaichi? No, not elaichi.
Not coffee either.
This is definitely something which is part of your... Okay, I can't give you more clues. Which is part of your dry fruits box.
A lot of this would have come to you during the Navratri and Diwali festival.
I know. Pista, okay. Dates, okay. Okay, it is Padmalata. You have given the right answer. It is saffron, cocoa, and pistachios. Yes. The right answer is given by Padmalata. I think, guys, this is the advantage to wait a little, but to give all the 3, because unless and until you give all the 3, you're not going to be the winners. So good. We know our kitchen items too. Moving on to the next one. Okay. There are 3 jumbled up words here. You have to unscramble all the 3. And the place where it is marked with a circle, you need to catch up those letters. And if you place it in the same order, you will get an abbreviated word that we use in our financial accounting system. What is it? You have to expand it. You have to give all 3 answers. That is A, B, and C, the correct answers. And the final one with the marked place. That word, if you expand it, you will get the final answer.
Okay, we have people who are unscrambling it and helping others.
Management development regulations. Okay, Prema Vasu, you have to recognize the specific letter that is marked there. If you write it in the order, the letter where it is marked as circle, you need to take that and give me the final answer.
Something that is
Management Development Regulation, not regulation. EPL, no, you're very close, Lakshmi.
something that matters the most to the shareholders.
They're giving it out to the platter. EPS, Siddhant Goel, this is cheating. I think others have given the answers and you're giving us the final one. Yeah, it is earnings per share. We will see whom to give the prize to because, we need to see who has given all the three answers and the final one. And the answer is earnings per share. Very quick, CA minds. Let us go to the next one.
Okay.
We will tell you.
So this is almost the last question before the fastest fingers first. So the question is, what is something that you can keep giving after you can keep it with yourself after giving it to someone else?
Not knowledge, not smile. What is something that you can keep, you should keep after giving it to someone else?
Rather, you're obligated to keep after you give it to somebody else. Let me put it that way.
Yeah. Hope, riddle, no.
I must say a lot of positive people here, but it's not happiness, smile, or hope.
Word. I think Neeti Chauhan, you have given the right answer. It is word. 127557, Neeti. It's your word that you will have to keep after giving it to someone else.
So as CAs, we are known for our integrity and ethics, and that is where this entire thing comes, where we keep our word, our part of integrity.
So here we end the quiz with the 4 sections that we spoke about, and moving on to the last segment, fastest fingers first. There will be a question with 4 options. All that you will have to do is arrange it in the order from smallest to biggest and give us the options like A, B, C, D, whatever. That is the question. So here we move on to that question.
Smallest to the largest.
List the following 4 lengths in order, starting with the smallest. Yard, B is centimeter, C is inch, and D is millimeter.
For all the times we've coached our kids or others' kids and during schools gotten beaten up by teachers, it's time to give the answers.
Okay, we have answers pouring in. Our math is any day and any time, even in our dreams, right? We can never go wrong when it comes to the world of maths and numbers. And the right answer is D, B, C, A, millimeter, centimeter, inch, and yard. And the right answer first is given by Shri Devi, 214306. Shri Devi. With this, here we end our quiz session. We have amazing participants here with us.
Thank you so much for actively taking part in it. Hope you had as much as we had fun preparing it. And we will be tabulating the winners. And at the end of the program today, we'll be announcing the 5 winners that we promised will get some award.
And only if you're online yet with us.
Yes. Over to you, Bhavna.
Fantastic. That is what I call it as power-packed performance. It was amazing. And as women...
1 minute, Bhavna, before we wind up and give the stage to you.
Sure.
So just a small announcement. Whoever is winning here, the gift voucher, the link will go to your email ID. We'll be doing that so that there is no physical interface. We are all doing social distancing even in this. So, okay, guys, have a good evening.
With whichever mail ID you logged in, to the same mail ID, you will be getting the vouchers. But yeah, you will have to be online with us till the end of it.
Wow, wow, Sandhya, CA Sandhya, you are amazing that way. We will be online. And CA Sanjana, that was really, really required, right? So that intervention was critical. So I'm sure on behalf of everyone, we had a lot of fun. It is a power packed performance. And amazing part is, as women, we are complete women, yeah, you know, whether it is kitchen, whether it is a CA or numbers or anything, we have shown that we are in the business world, we are everywhere. That was outstanding. We enjoyed thoroughly. That was very, very enjoyable. I'm sure everyone had a great time. I would request our Bangalore team with a lot of applause to give them the appreciation certification, ma'am. Wow. This is for CA Sandhya. Jagrati. To you. CA Sanjana.
Thank you all. Thanks, Bhavna.
Great.
It is
Amazing.
always
And
our honor to be part of ICAI and Bangalore branch, of course.
absolutely, Bangalore branch, and we all rock. What a dhwani we all have. Yeah, Geeta ma'am sitting there as a major dhwani. So we all were resonating all that, and in every aspect of it, Geeta ma'am.
She's our Dhwani always, and now we have a mic for it.
Absolutely, she's the real dhwani there. Yes, Kori sir. Heli sir.
Bhavana,
Heli sir.
she kept the organization as a Jagrati because her husband name is Rahul. So
Okay.
she is always Jagrati. And her daughter name is Dhoni. So that is the today's Dhoni.
Wow, kya baat, fantastic. That's a great information. So we all were rocking. So taking it forward, we really enjoyed thoroughly. You made all of us involved. I'm sure every participant enjoyed thoroughly. And thank you so much, dear participants. You all were rocking. And my God, some of you were everywhere you were there. You had real great participation. Thank you, and clapping to each participant here. Enjoyed your participation here. So with this thought, let me move on to our